Respected sir and madam, a present good morning to one and all. Myself, I am Vaishnavi. I am pursuing at 10th standard. Today, I am telling one wonderful seminar in front of great people like you. Today, I want to share important few lines in my today's seminar. So please imagine yourself how my seminar will be there. In my today's seminar, I will discuss about 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 mark, 8 mark question. Maybe it will become for public exams. So my humble advice is, please listen my seminar from starting point to ending point. First of all, in this lesson, I will tell about all definitions. Nearly in this lesson, 13 definition will be there. Nearly it will become for public exams. Maybe 1 mark. First, heat. Heat is nothing but it is a form of energy. It forms hot body to cold body. The SI unit of heat is joule and the Celsius unit of heat is calorie. Next, we move to the another topic. Temperature. Temperature is nothing but the degree of hotness or coldness is known as temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin scale. Next, we move to the another topic. Thermal equilibrium. Thermal equilibrium is nothing but it forms hot body to cold body. Nothing but one body to another body is known as thermal equilibrium. Next, we move to the another topic. Specific heat. Specific heat is nothing but the amount of was required to 1 gram to raise the temperature at any substance is known as specific heat. Next, we move to the another topic, friends. Yes, evaporation. Evaporation is nothing but the process of escaping of molecules from a liquid surface is known as evaporation. Next, boiling point. Boiling point is nothing but the process of escaping of molecules liquid phase to gaseous phase is known as boiling. Hence, boiling is a warming process. Next, freezing. Freezing is nothing but the water will be liquid phase to solid phase is known as freezing point. Next, melting point. Melting point is nothing but the process of escaping of molecules from solid phase to liquid phase is known as melting point. In this lesson, this 12 definition will be very important. It will be maybe come for 1 mark. Next, we move to the another topic. Properties of specific heat. Do you know, friends, what is the examples of properties of specific heat? Yes, now I will tell about properties of specific heat with example. Okay, friends, first take a samosa and we will observe that outside of the samosa will be nearly cool and inside of the samosa will be hot. Here we will conclude that here specific heat will be present. Okay, friends? Yes. Next, when we are bathing in the inside of the bathroom and outside of the bathroom will be cool. Hence, we will conclude that it is also a warming process. We will conclude that here specific heat will be present. Next, we move to the another topic, friends. Yes, dew and fog. Do you know, friends, what is meant by dew and fog? Yes, dew means nothing but the water droplets present in air is known as dew. Fog, the natural gas will be present in our earth. It will be produced in leaves, plants, etc. The water droplets will be present in leaves, plants, etc. It is called fog. Next, we move to the another topic, friends. Humidity. Do you know, friends, what is meant by humidity? Yes, humidity is nothing but the amount of water vapors present in air is known as humidity. Next, we move to the another topic, friends. Yes, now I will tell one activity. This activity is very important. It may be given for 4 marks in public exams. Yes, the aim is to prove the specific heat in given solid. Aim: calorimeter, steam heater, Bunsen burner, thermometer, water. First procedure: measure the mass of the calorimeter. Is equals to m1 grams, and the over flame of the Bunsen burner with calorimeter is equals to m2 grams. Measure the mass of the water is equals to M3 minus M2 grams. Let take the thermometer is equals to T1 grams. Next, let the initial temperature be the final temperature in thermometer be 100 degrees Celsius is equals to T3 grams. Next, after that, in the calorimeter, add the lead shots is equals to T4 grams. Here, the chemical formula will be present like M1SCW plus T3 minus T2 SW T2 minus T3 SL T1 minus T2 by M1SC plus T3 minus T2 by minus T1 minus T2. Here the chemical formula will be present in this activity. Here we will conclude the specific heat will be present in calorimeter. Okay friends, it will be asked for public exam, maybe 4 marks. Okay friends, yes, we move to the another topic. Next, humidity. The example of humidity, condensation friends. Yes, condensation is nothing but the liquid phase to gaseous phase is known as condensation. The example of condensation is when we are taking watermelon. The outside of the watermelon is very hot and inside of the watermelon is very cool. Here the condensation process will be occur. Yes friends. Next, thanking you for spending your valuable time for listening my seminar. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.